The sun was rising. The first light of dawn gently kissed the horizon, casting a golden hue over the tranquil waters. The world seemed to hold its breath, waiting for the day to begin. I sat by the water, feeling the cool morning breeze on my face. The world was quiet, and in that stillness I found a profound sense of peace. The gentle lapping of the water against the shore was like a soothing lullaby, calming my mind and soul. We all seek this feeling, this elusive sense of tranquility. A quiet place inside where we can retreat from the chaos of everyday life. It's a sanctuary within ourselves, a place where we can find solace and rejuvenation, away from the noise of life, away from the constant demands and distractions. This is inner peace. It's not about escaping reality, but about finding a balance, a harmony within ourselves that allows us to navigate the world with grace and calm. It is not about being perfect or having no problems. Life is full of challenges and imperfections. Inner peace is about accepting these imperfections and finding a way to remain centered amidst them. It's about embracing our flaws and learning to be gentle with ourselves. It's about finding calm in the midst of chaos, taking deep breaths, grounding ourselves, and reconnecting with the present moment. It's a practice, a daily commitment to nurturing our inner sanctuary. In the middle of the storm, we can find our calm. It's not about avoiding the storm, but learning to dance in the rain. To stand strong and resilient, knowing that we have the inner strength to weather any storm that comes our way. Inner peace is a journey, not a destination. It takes time, patience, and practice. It's a path we walk every day, with each step bringing us closer to that serene place within. It's about the small moments of mindfulness, the daily rituals that ground us and bring us back to ourselves. But it is worth it. The journey to inner peace is one of the most rewarding paths we can take. It enriches our lives, deepens our connections with others, and allows us to live with a sense of purpose and fulfillment. So, take a moment, breathe deeply, and find your quiet dawn. Inner peace is a deep feeling. It is a state of being where the mind is calm, the heart is at ease, and the soul feels content. Imagine waking up to the gentle sounds of nature, the soft rustling of leaves, and the serene sight of a lake at sunrise. This is the essence of inner peace. It is a sense of calm, of contentment, of being okay. Picture yourself sitting quietly by a fireplace, the warmth of the flames wrapping around you like a comforting blanket, or listening to the rhythmic sound of calm ocean waves. These moments of tranquility are reflections of inner peace. It is not dependent on outside things, like money or fame. It comes from within. True inner peace is found in the simple joys of life, like the smile that spreads across your face when you close your eyes and take a deep breath, or the clarity that comes from journaling your thoughts in a quiet room. It is a state of being that is cultivated from within, independent of external circumstances. When you have inner peace, you can handle anything. Challenges become smaller, problems become opportunities. Imagine confidently climbing a mountain, each step bringing you closer to the summit, or the satisfaction of successfully solving a complex puzzle. With inner peace, you approach life's challenges with a calm and focused mind, turning obstacles into opportunities for growth and learning. Inner peace is a gift, to yourself and to the world. It is the gentle hug you give to yourself, the kindness you extend to others, and the peaceful moments you share with loved ones in nature. By nurturing inner peace, you not only enrich your own life but also contribute to a more harmonious and compassionate world. One way to find peace is to breathe, deeply, slowly. Focus on your breath. Another way is to be present. Focus on the now, not the past, not the future. Let go of worries, let go of regrets, just be. In this moment, peace comes from within. Find it in your breath, find it in the now. Section 4. Gratitude and letting go. Gratitude brings joy. Be thankful for the good things, big and small. Forgiveness sets you free. Let go of anger. Let go of resentment. Holding on to negativity hurts you. It blocks your peace. Let it go. Choose gratitude. Choose forgiveness. Choose peace. Section 5. Finding your symphony. Life is like music. It has high notes and low notes. It has fast parts and slow parts. Find your rhythm. Find your flow. Don't fight the music. Embrace the journey with all its ups and downs. That is where you will find your peace. Your life is your symphony. Make it beautiful. Section 6. Inspiration from the wise. In this chapter, we delve into the profound wisdom imparted by some of the most enlightened individuals throughout history. Their teachings have transcended time and culture, offering us timeless guidance on finding inner peace and tranquility. Many wise people have found inner peace. These individuals, through their deep understanding and practice of mindfulness, have discovered a state of serenity that many of us strive to achieve. Their lives are a testament to the power of inner calm and the profound impact it can have on our overall well-being. They teach us through their words. Peace comes from within. The wisdom they share is not just theoretical but practical, offering us tools and insights that we can apply in our daily lives. Whether it's through reading their books, listening to their talks, or reflecting on their quotes, we can find inspiration and guidance. Do not seek it without Buddha. The teachings of Buddha remind us that true peace is not something that can be found in external circumstances or material possessions. Instead, it is a state of mind that we cultivate through mindfulness, meditation, and self-awareness. By turning our focus inward, we can discover a wellspring of tranquility that is always available to us. The best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched, they must be felt with the heart. Helen Keller. Helen Keller's life and words are a powerful reminder of the importance of inner beauty and emotional depth. Despite the challenges she faced, she found a way to connect with the world on a profound level, teaching us that true beauty and peace are found within. You find peace not by rearranging the circumstances of your life, but by transforming your thinking about the circumstances of your life. Eckhart Tolle. Eckhart Tolle's teachings emphasize the power of our thoughts and perceptions. He encourages us to shift our mindset and view our circumstances from a place of acceptance and presence. By doing so, we can find peace regardless of the external situations we face. Let their wisdom guide you on your journey to peace. As we navigate the complexities of life, the wisdom of these enlightened individuals can serve as a beacon of light. Their teachings remind us that peace is not a distant goal, but a present reality that we can access through mindfulness, self-awareness, and a shift in perspective. Embrace their wisdom, and let it guide you towards a life of inner peace and fulfillment. Section 7. Your journey begins now. Inner peace is possible for everyone. It starts with a single step. Start today. Take a deep breath. Smile. Be grateful. You are worthy of peace. You deserve peace. Find your peace. The world needs your peace. Share it. Be the change.